Becca's awesome animal adaptation project. An animal with a special defense feature is the blowfish. Their defense feature is a toxin in their body. There is lots of poison in the blowfish's body called neurotoxin that is incredibly toxic. In each blowfish, there is enough toxin to kill 30 people. If a predator eats the blowfish, it will most likely die because the blowfish spins, so it makes it hard to swallow. I would not like to get close to a blowfish. The camel. An animal whose body has adapted to the seasons is the camel. A camel stores fat in its humps. The camel uses fat to make itself water. The camel uses water for energy to survive. If the camel has not eaten in a long time, its humps become floppy and droopy. I think it is really amazing that a camel can store water in its humps. Canada geese. An animal that migrates is the Canada geese. Canada geese are very fascinating animals. These animals develop a V formation when migrating and flying. The V formation helps save energy for long flights. The bird in front makes a wind that other birds glide on, and they all switch places. They continue this switch until they arrive at their destination. It sounds neat that these migrating birds can conserve energy and work together so well. The black-tip reef shark. You can see the shark's black tips around its body, and he's swimming around the reef. An animal that uses camouflage is the black-tip reef shark. Countershading is when an animal in the ocean has a white belly and a black back to blend in. The black-tip reef shark has a brownish black back and a white belly. Camouflage is blending into your surroundings. The black tips on the shark's fins and tail are camouflage to the coral reef. The shark lives around coral reef in shallow water because it helps them blend in. I would not like to run into a black-tip reef shark. The kangaroo. An animal with an adaptation related to how it cares for its young is the kangaroo. The baby, called a joey, stays in the mother's pouch until it is fully developed. The pouch protects the joey because it is not fully developed and it is born without hind legs. The pouch is a safe way for the joey to move around with its mother. This is one way nature provides a safe way for mothers to care for its young. For my imaginary animal, I chose a mix of a flamingo, cheetah, and an elephant. The animal is called a flauta. My flauta has a flamingo body with wings. It has cheetah spots with fangs and an elephant trunk. Its spots are blue, its body is neon pink, and its trunk is light green. The flauta has rainbow fangs too. My imaginary animal can fly with its wings. My flauta also can swim like a duck with its webbed feet. The flauta eats fish and coconuts. Flautas make nests up high in trees. They go high into trees so animals do not get to them. They make nests out of palm tree leaves. They also shed their feathers to make a bed for their young. They have sharp fangs to open coconuts and eat fish. About the scientist. Hello, my name is Becca. I am 10 years old. I live in Medfield, Massachusetts with my mom, dad, brother, and dog, and of course myself. My favorite color is blue. My favorite sport is gymnastics. I go to gymnastics every Tuesday and Thursday from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. My favorite movies are The Hunger Games and Sherlock Holmes. My favorite dessert is trifle. When I grow up, I want to be a singer, gymnast, and or actress.